Hello, we're Dan and Andrea, and we've just bought a barn in Wales to make our home. It needs quite a lot of work, but we think we're up for the challenge. Good morning. We're on to the next step for our power and water sheds today, prepping the bases with DPM and rebar ready for the concrete pour. A few of these steps might be overkill, but we decided it's worth it for these sheds. I'm not sure how many of you want to hear the reasons why we did things, but in case you're interested, we decided to use DPM under our concrete because it prevents moisture from the fresh concrete being pulled into the ground underneath, which could dry out the concrete too quickly. And also, for the longer term, it prevents moisture from the ground rising up into the building. Because of the DPM, we laid sand, and that was to protect the DPM from being punctured by the MOT. We spread out the sand underneath of the shuttering because the wood we used is 100 mil deep, and as that's the depth we want the final concrete, we don't want sand taking up any of that space. Those little pieces holding up the rebar have a few names, but we usually call them meshmen. They have a groove in them to hold up the rebar and prevent it from puncturing the DPM. Our rebar is being held up about 40 to 50 mil from the bottom, sitting it pretty much in the center of our concrete base. So we've just found out that we're going to have to wheelbarrow all of it because there's he doesn't have that bit that lets it go straight into the thing. So we're going to wheelbarrow it. So that we don't run out? Yeah?
I can't tell with it.
Yeah.
I haven't got a gauge. I don't have a lot. Like, I have a rough gauge, isn't it? Yeah. I'll fill my start off. No, I've got, yeah.
How much did we order? 1.2?
1.2, so you've had probably about half of it.
The other one's bigger.
Yeah.
So we should probably stop.
Do you reckon you'd be able to spread that out? Yeah, should we do that?
Do what?
Like you spread this and I'll start pouring in the bottom one?
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I guess you've got some days. Like you can store anything? No, it should be alright.
Okay. I didn't get to film the other platform because that was manic. I'm out of breath. We did finish all of the concrete pour. We're hoping we had enough, and we're about to start tamping down this one, and then we're gonna run down and tamp that one. But I'm tired. You do it by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you make me a tea?
Yep.
Okay. Biscuits? Okay. I'm gonna go do some tamping.
That was way harder
Yeah.
than I was expecting.
I thought there would be a longer spout thing.
Yep. Well, that's a different thing. That's a pump.
Alright, well also, I thought it would be less rocky.
Yeah, man.
I don't know if what they gave us is wrong, or if we bought something wrong, or this is just what it looks like. Should we try a pass with this thing and see what happens?
Okay.
I think we're short. Try not to let it go over the edge.
So now.
Mine's not even needing to be tamped at this point.
Yeah, you need to slow down because if you keep going faster than me, you're pushing it off this edge. Right, okay. Alright, what do we do?
I don't know, tamp it. Push some of that this way. Let's go down and tamp the other one.
Okay.
Maybe we have access. Okay, if you could pass me the shovel. So this is exhausting.
Yeah.
I told the guy that I was going to be sticking a head.
I just worry about you. Well, worried about me, and which made me especially worry about you.
Well, I couldn't let up because
No, exactly.
we're gonna fall behind. It doesn't look as good as in the YouTube videos.
No, it doesn't.
Question our life choices while I go get a rake. Try to go at the same speed. You have to do it more insane.
I was hitting this bubbly bit.
Okay,
so
but look, you don't need to do it more manic. Just go at the same speed,
Okay,
not
sorry.
more force. Okay.
It's working.
Look at what I'm doing and then do the same thing. There. Jesus Christ. You could not do synchronized swimming in the Olympics. Right, synchronized.
You're changing it on purpose.
Who did the music lessons? I'm the one. I'm gonna play this back in slow-mo and we're gonna count beat for beat. Who?
Right.
When I say go as fast as me, you don't go faster, you go higher and smack it down is what you seem to think. Can we move on with life? Come on, man.
I'm ahead of you.
No, I'm not. I'm ahead of you. Come on. There. So you have squiff eyes and bad counting. rhythm. Okay, well, I'll come back and redo your side in a minute. We should put on a song and then we can go to the beat. Happy birthday to you. Can we please just try to stay aware of what I'm doing? If I play this back and I'm the one off beat, I will apologize. Otherwise, let's go fix the other one and then come back and do this one again, I guess?
Okay.
All right, let's go. I'm exhausted again. All right. Okay, here we go.
It's not even in time when I'm doing it by myself.
One, two, three, four. What?
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2.
Yeah, you count and I'll just follow you
1, 2,
then.
3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get your cramp in my hand.
Where did your counting go? You stopped out loud counting, and then you just like, this is, man.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
You're just counting and you're like, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god. I'm glad this one's actually a video and not a time lapse so that we can relive this experience.
That's exactly what I want. I'll go and get you whatever you want after this. I'll go and get you almond croissants.
Get me almond croissants, thank you so much.
Oh, obviously me as
Your
well.
favorite thing. Will you please go get me your favorite thing in the world?
Okay, I'll get you a cream cheese bagel.
Okay. You think they'll be open?
Okay, no. But I think we deserve it.
I think we deserve all of them.
Right, do we do more in the hopes that we can make it smoother, or do we think we make it worse?
We definitely need to fix that little corner. Maybe we leave it. We leave it and check on it in an hour and see if it's ready to have the curve
Okay.
trowel tool thing. Is that the right choice?
I have no idea.
Or am I just tired?
Definitely that.
Well, you need to go get bagels and croissants. So maybe by the time you get back, then we'll check.
Okay.
Okay, good deal. I need some gloves.